Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some mighty machines and covering what they do. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more like it. KAHL Transport is a German company that specializes in challenging cargo transport operations. In 2019, the company received the BSK Award for delivering two separate 700-megawatt generators. Each of these generators was 400 tons in weight. It took almost a year to plan and prepare in detail with CAD assembly and various transport simulations. Route testing, static calculations, method statements, risk assessments, and coordination with authorities were also part of the job. Particular challenges included the restricted space available within the power plant during deployment, the ramp for roll-on roll-off loading, and the constraints on axle loads and large dimensions of the overall transportation system. Next, we have the T Winch 10.2 from ECOFORST. It is utilized in forestry applications. Its crawler tracks and radio control make it simple to reach the working point, while the blade installed in the machine's front gives extra stability in rugged terrain. It can be used to deploy wood handlers from the steepest point securely. An auxiliary traction cable winch may therefore sustain the full braking and traction force of the wood harvesting equipment at any moment in the slope transition region. Severe soil damage caused by slip values of more than 20% can be minimized, making the methodical creation of skid paths easier. The T8600 Badger Breaker is up next. This equipment is ideal for crack and seat, which is a low-cost method applied on road slabs to reduce the occurrence and severity of reflection cracks in the overlay. Cracking is done to reduce the effective length of concrete slabs, whereas seating restores support between the subbase and the slabs. The hammer only strikes the region underneath, allowing it to be deployed near the side barricades and open roads. It can handle 8 to 12-inch thick slabs and can rubblize a 13-foot wide road in a single pass. Next, we have the stone picker from STONELESS. This stone collector is compatible with UTVs or ATVs. It has a separate hydraulic system powered by a 5.5 horsepower Honda engine. A small joystick linked to the associated vehicle controls the stone collector unit. Strong teeth can be pressed 15 centimeters into the ground, and a half-meter diameter stone can be forced from tough clay soil. This little machine provides great flexibility on the farm and requires only one person to do the job. The mobile chipper from BRUKS is up next. It can process full-length trees and logs with a diameter of 50 centimeters for softwood and a maximum diameter of 40 centimeters for hardwood and brushwood. Thanks to its lightweight and compact design, it is easy to transport this machine via trucks, trailers, or hook lift frames. The chipper features an advanced mobile chipping control system that ensures effective chipping operations. Also, it can be outfitted with a variety of attachments to suit various installations. Homer is a family-owned business that specializes in land and tree clearance. The company employs cutting-edge equipment such as the 648, which is a four-wheel drive rubber tire grapple skidder. It is great for traversing longer distances rapidly over rough terrain and can bundle and move logs and brush to predetermined chipping sites using a hydraulic claw attachment. Homer also owns the Moorbark 5048. This chipper is capable of chipping trees with a diameter of up to 40 inches. The company fleet deploys 4 skidders with 1 chipper for fast land-size operations. Last but not least, we have the CWE 525. It is a small crane designed to be used in confined spaces. Its lifting capacity is 14,515 kilograms, although its operating weight is just 13,200. It has a max reach of 29.4 meters. The max lifting height for a hydraulic jib is 32.5 meters. The multifunction proportional radio control with an integrated control display also provides real-time verification of all machine parameters. The machine can operate and level on steep terrain. Because of its small size and large ground clearance angle, the crane can be loaded using a short ramp. A 15 kilowatt electric engine with 3-phase inverter powers this crane. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you check out one of these two for more cool machinery. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.